Good day and welcome back to Ginger's Kitchen. This will be a short video making the chorizo stuffing, the one that I used in the turducken for Thanksgiving. I hope you saw that video, and the stuffed pork chops. So here we go. So my package of chorizo stuffing went a long way. I used it for the turducken, I used it for the stuffed pork chops, and I kept it in the freezer, of course, and now I'm using it to show you this recipe. Now, I don't use a lot of chorizo because I don't like a lot of spice, and my family doesn't either, but it adds a great flavor. I am so glad that we discovered this a couple of years ago. 2 years ago for Thanksgiving, we ordered a turducken from one of my local markets, and they had the chorizo in the middle, and that's how we discovered it. And that's why this year I decided to do the turducken with the ground meat in kind of like a meatloaf terrine form, and everybody loved it. Okay, now that it's fully cooked, I'm going to add in some chicken stock. Depending on how much stuffing you want to make, you only want to use the amount of chicken stock that's going to be absorbed by your bread cubes. So here is my chicken stock in with the chorizo, and now I'm going to add my bread cubes. Now my local grocery store had Bell seasoning cubes. I use Bell seasoning in my stuffing, but I hadn't seen the cubes for a while. The box also said that they were back. The box also said how long they had been around, and it was a long time. I can't remember exactly how long, but it's an old brand, and it was a familiar flavor. I am sure my grandmother used these years ago. Now I'm going to stir until combined, making sure that all the cubes get moist, but that it doesn't end up being mushy. My family doesn't like it mushy, and neither do I. I added a bit more cubes so that, again, the stuffing would be moist but not mushy. Now I say cubes, but this is actually a stuffing mix. There's seasonings and other ingredients. So here is the finished stuffing. I thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and until next time.